Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm talking about digital cash. Friend, first of all, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel to my latest video update, and if you like this video, please click on like button. So now start. Digital cash, also known as e-cash, is an electronic payment system developed by Dr. David Chaum in 1988, who is widely regarded as an inventor of digital cash. This system was based on digital tokens called digital coins. E-cash is the most prevalent consumer payment instrument. E-cash transactions are faster, convenient, and saves a lot of time. Online payment done by Visa, online payment done by credit card, debit card, or smart card are example of e-cash transaction. An amount of an amount of money that is computerized, stored, and used as cash for e-commerce transaction. Digital cash, also known as e-currency, e-money, electronic cash, electronic currency, electronic money, digital currency, cyber currency, refers to a system in which a person can securely pay for goods or services electronically without necessarily involving a bank to immediate the transaction. Traditional bricks and mortar merchants prefer cash since they do not have to pay commission to credit card companies and they can put the money to use as soon as it is received. Also, some buyers pay with cash because they do not have checks or credit cards or because they want to preserve their anonymity. It is a logical, therefore, that EC sellers and some buyers may prefer electronic cash, e-cash. E-cash can be used for everyday internet transactions such as buying software, receiving money from parents, or paying for a pizza to be delivered. At the same time, e-cash provides the privacy of cash because the paper can remain anonymous. The problem with digital cash, like real cash, is that you can lose it or it can be stolen. It is not as secure as the other alternatives, but most people are likely to carry only small amounts of digital cash, and thus security is not so critical. The use of this approach involves a six-step process. First step, the customer open an account with a bank and receive special software for his or her PC. Second step, the customer buys electronic money from the bank by using the software. The customer bank account is debited accordingly. Step 3, the bank sends a secured electronic money note to this customer. Step 4, the money is stored on the buyer PC and can be spent in any electronic store that accepted eCash. Step 5, the software is also used to transfer the eCash from the buyer computer to the seller computer. Step 6, the seller can deposit the eCash in a bank, crediting his or her regular or electronic account, or the seller can use the digital cash acts much like real cash, except that is not on paper. Money in your bank account is converted to a digital code cash to make a purchase elsewhere. I hope friend you understand what is digital cash. If you like this video, please click on subscribe button. If you like this video, please click on like button. Thank you.